Ever wanted to let someone know exactly where you are, in real time, without a single text? With Google Maps, you can. This tutorial will show you exactly how easy it is to share your live location. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Make sure your location services are enabled. For the app, you'll see a blue dot representing your current position. Tap on that familiar blue dot. This will bring up a menu with several options. Look for Share Location and tap on it. Now you have the main option: share for a set amount of time, or share until you turn it off. For this tutorial, let's choose to share for a specific duration. You'll see a slider to select how long you want to share, perhaps 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. After selecting your desired time, you'll be presented with a list of your contacts, as well as options to share via messaging apps like WhatsApp or even a simple text message. Choose the person or people you want to share your location with. Once you've selected your recipients, tap Share. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know your live location is now being shared. The person you've shared with will receive a link that they can click to see your real-time movement on their own Google Maps. To stop sharing your location at any time, simply go back into Google Maps, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then select Location Sharing. You'll see who you're currently sharing with, and you can tap Stop next to their name to end the sharing session. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share your live location on Google Maps, keeping your friends and family updated on your whereabouts. It's a fantastic way to coordinate meetups or just provide peace of mind.